Welcome to this video on how to start meditation for beginners. If you're new to meditation, it can be a little daunting at first, but it's a powerful tool for reducing stress, increasing focus, and improving overall well-being. In this video, I will give you some tips on how to get started with meditation. Find a quiet place. The first step in starting meditation is to find a quiet place where you can sit without any distractions. It can be your bedroom or any other space where you can sit comfortably for a few minutes. Make sure the space is free from any noise or distractions, such as your phone or TV. Choose a time. Choose a time that works best for you. It could be early in the morning or before you go to bed. It's best to choose a time when you won't be interrupted or distracted. Get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position that supports your spine. You can sit on a chair or cross-legged on a cushion on the floor. Make sure your back is straight and your hands are resting comfortably in your lap. Focus on your breath. Now that you're comfortable, focus on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Keep your attention on your breath as you inhale and exhale. Observe your thoughts. It's normal for your mind to wander when you start meditating. When you notice your mind wandering, simply observe your thoughts and bring your attention back to your breath. Start small. When starting meditation, it's best to start with a short session. Begin with 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable with the practice. Be patient. Finally, be patient with yourself. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. With regular practice, you will start to notice the benefits of meditation. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool that can help you reduce stress, increase focus, and improve your overall well-being. By following these tips, you can get started with meditation and begin to experience the benefits of this practice. Remember to find a quiet place, choose a time that works best for you, get comfortable, focus on your breath, observe your thoughts, start small, and be patient. Thank you for watching.